Hi friends, in this video, we will understand in detail how throughput plays a vital role in deciding the decoding capacity of SATATYA devices. SATATYA devices are classified into three categories based on the total number of cameras that can be connected with them. First, 8 channel, second 24 channel, and third 64 channel. Throughputs of these devices are approximately 50 Mbps for 8 channel, 144 Mbps for 24 channel, 256 Mbps for SATATYA NVR64S, and 384 Mbps for SATATYA NVR64P. We will take the example of SATATYA NVR8S. Also, we will presume two conditions. First, user is watching the cameras in TV monitor and PC. Second, recording of no camera is on. Throughput of any SATATYA device can be divided into three further categories. First, downstream, second, stream limit, and third, upstream. Let us understand about downstream. Downstream is the stream transferred from the IP camera to SATATYA device. Throughput of SATATYA NVR8S is approximately 50 Mbps. In the broadest definition, downstream can be easily calculated by multiplying the number of maximum cameras that can be connected with the NVR with the bitrate of each camera. In our case, the number of maximum cameras of SATATYA NVR8S is 8. The user can watch the cameras in mainstream or substream. Bitrate of each camera recommended by Matrix is 2 Mbps for mainstream and 1 Mbps for substream. Considering the user watches all cameras in mainstream, downstream is 8 into 2, that is 16 Mbps. Bitrate of each camera can be kept high. However, it is recommended not to exceed this limit for better performance of the device. This completes the understanding about downstream. Let us understand about stream limit. Stream limit is the limit of SATATYA device to take in or give out the stream of cameras. In stream limit is the maximum number of streams of cameras that the device can take. It is equal to the total number of cameras that the device supports. In our example of SATATYA NVR8S, in-stream limit is 8. Outstream limit is the maximum number of streams of cameras that the device can give. It is equal to 3 times the total number of cameras that the device supports. In our example of SATATYA NVR8S, outstream limit is 8 into 3, that is 24. The stream limit can be seen in device status option followed by system and more. Note that this is the combination of live and network streams. Live streams are the ones projected on the monitor connected with the device. Network streams are the ones projected on users' PCs through SATATYA device client. This completes the understanding about stream limit. Let us understand about upstream. Upstream is the amount of bandwidth allocated to a user who is logged in to SATATYA device client. Consider a scenario in which user 1 is watching all 8 cameras connected with SATATYA NVR8S at the same time in a TV monitor. Also, it is considered that optimized bandwidth flag is not enabled at this time, resulting in deliverance of only mainstream of all cameras irrespective of the layout set. Bitrate of each camera connected is 2 Mbps. Now downstream in this case is 16 Mbps and upstream is 0 Mbps. Note that watching cameras on TV monitor does not affect upstream. It increases only when the user watches the cameras on the network, that is in PC. Also, outstream limit is 8. If user 2 logs in and watches all 8 cameras simultaneously in his PC, the device will allocate 16 Mbps to that user. So downstream in this case is again 16 Mbps and upstream is 16 Mbps. For the second user, downstream will remain unchanged because now the device is transferring the stream to this user. Also, outstream limit is 16. If user 3 logs in and watches all 8 cameras simultaneously in his PC, the device will allocate another 16 Mbps to that user. So downstream in this case is again 16 Mbps, but upstream is 32 Mbps. Also, outstream limit is 24. In the previous scenario, the assumed bitrate 2 Mbps was for mainstream. Let us assume second scenario in which the bitrate for substream is 1 Mbps, that is half the value of the mainstream. Also assume that optimized bandwidth flag is checked. When user 1 watches all 8 cameras at the same time in a TV monitor, downstream in this case is 8 Mbps and upstream is 0 Mbps. Also, outstream limit is 8. If user 2 logs in and watches all 8 cameras simultaneously in his PC, the device will allocate 8 Mbps to that user. So downstream in this case is again 8 Mbps and upstream is 8 Mbps. Also, outstream limit is 16. If user 3 logs in and watches all 8 cameras simultaneously, the device will allocate another 8 Mbps to that user. So downstream in this case is again 8 Mbps, but upstream is 16 Mbps. Also, outstream limit is 24. In both scenarios, as the outstream limit is reached, the device will not be able to stream any more cameras. If the user starts the stream anyway, maximum stream limit reached error will be displayed. To overcome this, the current users will have to stop watching certain number of cameras. Note here that there will be no limitation of upstream in any scenario, as upstream does not get affected when user watches the cameras on TV monitor connected with the device. This completes all the parameters. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, please contact Matrix Technical Support Team.